Okay, so we have two questions here, 6A and 6B. Simplifying algebra involving brackets. The first one involves a bracket, and the second one is on factorization. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Good. To talk about the first one, we have 3 he, we have minus 7, and we have a negative 2 into a bracket, 4e minus 5. So we cannot do anything without firstly solving whatever we can do with the bracket or simplifying with the bracket. So this negative 2 is going to open into the two terms in the bracket. Is that clear? I believe that's clear. So as it opened into the two terms in the bracket means I have 3e, then minus 7, then minus 2 times 4e. Remember this, negative number times positive number gives a negative result. So negative 2 times positive 4 will give us a negative 8. Then e is with it. And also remember this, negative number times negative number gives a positive result. So negative 2 again times negative 5 will give us a positive 10 because they are both negative. So that is positive 10. With this, there is no more bracket in our expression. All we have are 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. So we're going to collect like terms. What are the like terms in these four expressions, four terms? We have 3e and 8e looking alike because they have e. And we have 7 and 10 looking alike because they don't have any alphabet. So they are like terms. So we have 3e, then there's a negative 8e here. That's minus 8e. Then we have negative 7 and positive 10. So these are the four terms above. If I combine the 3e and 8e, I'm subtracting. 3 minus 8 gives me negative 5 because 8 is a big number with a negative sign, so it's a negative. That will be my answer. That is a smaller number minus a bigger number gives a negative answer. Then I have e. Then negative 7, positive 10 is going to give me a positive 3. Why? Because the 10 is a positive number with, are you there, please? I can't see you there. Okay, now I can see you. So, but are you understanding this? Are you getting this?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So, negative 7 plus 10, that's going to give us a positive 3 because the positives are 10, the negatives are 3. So, if you use 7 of the positives to cancel 7 of the negative, you have positive left. So, this is the answer to this. Is that clear?
Yes.
Good. The second aspect before we round up for today. We have 20, we have to factorize fully. That's the instruction, factorize fully. So we are looking for what is common to the two terms. There are just two terms. This is the first term. This is the second term. Can you see them? Can you see the two terms? Good,
Yes.
good. So what is common to 20 and 15 among their factors? Or rather, let me just split them into their factors. I have 5 times 4 making 20. Then I have a squared times a making a cube. Then on the other side, I have negative 5 times 3. Then I have a. Okay, yeah, I don't even need to split this a because the other one is 5. So this is still a cube. Let me put it as a cube. Then I have negative 5 times 3. Then I can split the a raised to power 5 into a cube and a square because a cube times a square gives a raised to power 5. Take note of that. Then what is common to this side and this side? I can see some items common. I see 5 and a cube, 5 and a cubed. So that's what is common. I'll pick it away from the two sides. 5a cubed, then I'm going to divide. So once I have removed 5a cubed from the left side, I have only 4 remaining. And once I have removed 5 and a cubed, I have 3a squared remaining. 3a squared. So this is the best possible way to factorize this. Because you can go further. If you want to tackle 4, 2 square in 4, and a square here, but this 3 won't give way. So definitely it won't go. And this becomes the answer. Is that clear? Is that clear to you? I can't hear you. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay, quickly put it down. Then once you're through, you get a 65.